तुम्हें मेरी कोई परवाह नहीं है। You don't care of me. You don't care of me. मैं परेशान हो रहा हूँ। I am freaking out. I am freaking out. आप अभी तक जाग रहे हैं? You are still awake. You are still awake. मैं जानने के लिए उत्सुक हूँ। I am curious to know. I am curious to know. काश मेरे पास तुम होती। I wish I had you. I wish I had you. प्याज काट दो। Chop the onion. Chop the onion. मुझे पकोड़े खाने हैं। I want to eat fritters. I want to eat fritters. यह पानी झूठा है। This water is defiled. This water is defiled. दिल पर मत लो। Don't take it to your heart. Don't take it to your heart. वहाँ तक जाओ। Go up to that point. Go up to that point. बालों को ठीक करो। Set right your hair. Set right your hair. बालों को खोल दो। Untie your hair. Untie your hair. मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong have I done to you? What wrong have I done to you? तुम्हें अपने आप को सुधारना पड़ेगा। You will have to mend your ways. You will have to mend your ways. आवेश में न आओ। Don't get worked up. Don't get worked up. Or you can say don't get excited. Don't get excited. अब किसी न किसी तरह बात को निपटाओ। Now settle the matter somehow. Now settle the matter somehow. क्या आपके होश ठिकाने हैं? Are you in your sense? Are you in your sense? मैं ये रोज रोज खाकर थक गया हूँ। I am fed up of eating it daily. I am fed up of eating it daily. मैं अपना समय काट रहा हूँ। I am passing my time. I am passing my time. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा। I will always stand by you. I will always stand by you. क्या तुमने हाल ही में उसे देखा है? Have you seen him recently? Have you seen him recently? मैं आपसे सहमत नहीं हूँ। I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. मैं इसके बारे में सोचूंगा। I will think over it. I will think over it. उसके इरादे सही नहीं हैं। His intentions are not good. His intentions are not good. एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? मैं अंग्रेजी सीख चुका होता। I would have learnt English. I would have learnt English. मैं वहाँ जा चुका होता। I would have gone there. I would have gone there. Had to beat him. I had to beat him. प्रसाद को भीख मांगना पड़ा। प्रसाद had to beg. प्रसाद had to beg. मुझे दिखाना पड़ा। I had to show. I had to show. मेरा वहाँ जाने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like going there. I feel like going there. मेरा बात करने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like talking. I feel like talking. मेरा खाना खाने को मन कर रहा है। I feel like having food. I feel like having food. मेरा गाना गाने को मन कर रहा है. I feel like singing a song. I feel like singing a song. तुमसे मिलने कोई आया है. Someone has come to meet you. Someone has come to meet you. तुम्हारे दिल में कुछ तो है. There is something in your heart. There is something in your heart. मैं तुम्हें कुछ बताने वाला हूँ. I am going to tell you something. I am going to tell you something. समय मेरे लिए थम सा गया है. The time seems stuck for me. The time seems stuck for me. तुम उसे कैसे जानते हो? How did you come to know her? How did you come to know her? आप किसी भी वक्त मेरे घर आ सकते हैं. You can come to my home at any time. You can come to my home at any time. कितने बजे तक तुम वहाँ पहुँच जाओगे? By what time will you reach there? By what time will you reach there? छोटी छोटी बातों पर नाराज़ नहीं होते. Don't get upset over little things. Don't get upset over little things. तुम सही में छुपे रुस्तम हो. You are such a dark horse. You are such a dark horse. और कौन वहाँ जा रहा है? Who else is going there? Who else is going there? और किसने इस काम को किया? Who else did this work? Who else did this work? और कौन आज आया है? Who else has come today? Who else has come today? और कौन तुम्हारे साथ खाना खा रहा है? Who else is having dinner with you? Who else is having dinner with you? Who else is having dinner with you? मुझे सफाई नहीं चाहिए. I want no clarification. I want no clarification. वह हमेशा अपनी चलाता है. He always washes around. He always washes around. तुम्हारी इतनी नीची सोच है. You have such cheap mentality. You have such cheap mentality. तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? 10:05 हुए हैं. It is 10:05. It is 10:05. मेरी घड़ी तेज चल रही है. My watch is running fast. My watch is running fast. खुद के लिए तो हर कोई करता है. Obviously, everybody does for himself. Obviously, everybody does for himself. तुम मुझसे नाराज़ नहीं होना. You are not angry with me, are you? You are not angry with me, are you? तुम कहाँ कुछ कहती हो. You hardly ever speak. You hardly ever speak. मैं अदरक वाली चाय लूँगा. I will take ginger tea. I will take ginger tea. मैंने अभी पोछा लगाया है. I have just mopped. I have just mopped. क्या तुम्हें समझ नहीं है? Don't you have sense? Don't you have sense? आजकल क्या चल रहा है? What's up these days? What's up these days? क्या हम लोग उसका इंतज़ार करें? Should we wait for him? Should we wait for him?